1954, 8 construction workers had a close encounter in France. The year is 1954. The place, Marcilly-sur-Vienne, France. 8 construction workers reported seeing a disc-shaped object sitting on the ground. Standing nearby, they saw a small humanoid wearing a helmet. My take: this story was translated from French and is not a perfect translation. I would almost think this was a weirdo in a helicopter, except for the size of the pilot. See full video link in the description below. Resources: ufology.patrickgross.org.